All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have the Spigen liquid air case for my OnePlus 10 Pro. This case comes in at $14.99 with Prime shipping on Amazon. So if you do want to buy this case after watching this video, do follow my affiliate link down in the description. So as far as the box goes, it looks like pretty much every Spigen box, guys. Got the logo here, picture of the case, and then obviously it says OnePlus 10 Pro liquid air. The color is matte black. So really nothing else to talk about. Spigen branding there, bunch of mumbo jumbo on the back. So let's get it out. So you pull the tab up and pull the case out. So it always comes in this plastic wrap. So let's get that peeled out there. And there it is. So let's look at the inside first, and then we'll focus on the outside once I put the phone on, or in, I should say. But that very recognizable spider web pattern inside that's going up against your phone. You do have the Latin logo there, and then of course it does say down here at the bottom, Spigen Inc. in Irvine, California, but it's made in South Korea. Does say air cushion technology right there, so that means you're getting those reinforced corners that act like little airbags for the case. So when you drop it on the corner, it's supposed to help kind of protect it there, hopefully. But there it is, very slim, very flexible. So let's go ahead and grab my Volcanic Black 10 Pro. I always like to start with the alert slider side and then just push in. And there we have it. So there is the case installed. Looks pretty nice. Has that really cool, I've always said it kind of reminds me of like a tire for some reason. But it is a matte black, very nice texture here, very slim as well. Looking at the camera bump there, as you can see, it is more of a solid material versus the texturized material, but it is going around the lenses. They are nicely recessed in there, so you're definitely getting some good lens protection with this case. So there's the look of it. And then just kind of going down, you can kind of see that this material is just all on the back here. So looks pretty nice. Now let's look at the side here. So with the side, you are getting some kind of ribbed edges here that are going to help with grip, obviously. You have a really nice power button that is raised, and then a nice generous cutout there for your alert slider. And then going to the bottom, we do have a nice cutout for the Type-C port, mic, and speakers. And then on this side here, guys, we do have some more of that texture. Obviously some raised buttons for the volume up and down. And then for the Spigen branding, very minimal. And then at the top, we do have a circular cutout for the mic. So that's the look of it. Now looking at the front, as you can see, we do have 360 protection on the screen. With the 10 Pro not being a complete flat screen, there is a little bit of a curved edge, but there's still some really great lips that are going over the forehead and chin, and a little bit on the side as well to definitely help that screen if you drop it or just place it face down on a surface. And then there is a cutout there for the speaker grill, so very big, just because the speaker grill is pretty big. That's the look there. And then the looking at it from the front. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. Let's do back down first. So there is no shake at this with this one. So those lenses are definitely recessed in there pretty nice, but there is a little bit of a shake on the front. So that is interesting. So no shake on the back, shake on the front. Go figure. So now let's see how clicky these buttons are. So let's start with that power button first. And volume up and down. All right, very clicky buttons, definitely passes the clicky button test. And last but not least, Qi wireless charging. So let's go ahead and turn the screen on, put it on my charger. And as you can see, guys, it is instantly recognizing that it is on my wireless charger. So no issues at all with wireless charging on this phone with this case on. So there you have it, guys. There is the Liquid Armor, a very slim, very good feeling case in the hand. The material with this matte material here. It does feel very good, especially like I said, with those like little ribbed edges on the sides. It feels fantastic in the hand. So definitely 2 thumbs up. It's a classic case for sure from Spigen. So hit that like button if you like the video. If you love it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.